Kaka sango ya Lubamba, ngomba oyo ya bana mboka, nakutana na Pambinyo, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natunie sango ya Lubamba, alobisinga maloba oyo, yango na zonga mboka, kusala bilanga kobokolo bibwele, avenir ya Afrika, ekuuta sena mabele. Nayo kaka sango ya Lubamba, imbuka ketoka esingola, nakutana na Fernando, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natume sango ya Lubamba, ayebisanga maloba oyo, yango na zonga mboka, kozala bilanga kobokolo bibwele, avenir ya Afrika, ekouta sena mabele. Oye! ¡Que viva África! Yeah. Nayo kaka sango ya Lubamba, imbuka ketoka esingola, nakutana na Fernando, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natuna yesango ya Lubamba, ayebisanga maloba oyo, yango na zonga mboka, kozala bilanga kobokolo bibwele, avenir ya Afrika, ekuta sena mabele. Lubamba, oye. Lubamba, lwatunge mbanza, ambuta iyaleke yaya. Lubutiki kumavata, twenda sodi na sole, twatome sensi, tieto ya kivuila yaya. Lubamba, lwatunge mbanza, ambuta iyaleke. Tukimuma bata twenda sudi na sole, twatome sensi tieto ya kivuila yaya. Lubamba, lwatunge mbanza, utaiyaleke. Aya! Ezombo dikele tunda la kolonia, ya masinga ngani, azombo kikulu. Aye. Ezombo ditele tunga la kolonia ya masima ngani azombo kikulu. Ezombo ditele tunga la kolonia ya masima ngani azombo kikulu. Aha. Ezombo ditele tunga la kolonia ya masima ngani azombo kikulu. twatunge mbanza utaialete yaya tuvutukinuma vata twenda soni masole twatome sensi mcheto ya kifuila yaya lubamba 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 lwatunge ndo lwatunge mbanza utaialete yaya Fernando yeah. Ezombo dikele tunga la kikolonia ya masima ngadi azombo kikulu Ezombo dikele tunga la kikolonia ya masima ngadi azombo kikulu Nayo kaka sango ya lubamba Kimbuka keto kae singola Nakutana na Fernando ayedi singa zonga mboka Natuna ye sango ya lubamba ayedi singa maloba oyo Yango na zonga mboka Usala bilanga ngoboko lobiwele Aveni ya Afrika Eko utase na mabele
This new £69 powerful heater can heat any room in seconds without the big electricity costs.
Ongeye pangyame yambula lugwezo Konterano kumenga mamosi Kikundi kajenwa yonge njenda Denta vokukele sije mwendo Mokena yendenda kompadre Kintu kakanda toma fukila Moke wa uko tumukidi uzowa Badanga na njenda kemanka jidiko Ema yala lele Atuzola zianda Compadre Atuzola zianda Isasilenge kanda wenye kondeta Konterale Wada kele kombadi tuzola ziana Kintuka makanda Kete kesikila makuku matatu Kutusale Kenda wele kwani yaya Wabomila bandongi yaya Wani kakangula Wabomila bandongi yaya Wani kakangula Tuzola ziana Toma wila anga matamu Kiendi Kamwendo kwe Kiba ukusero muka Eya Keba na yoe Kiba ukutashe Badi kiendi Kamwendo kwe Kiba ukulana mama Keba na yoe Kiba ukutashe Mangwana yaya Konzo kanye Sikimbu kwa duka Lamba soso Kika matamu Mangwana yaya Mwinu makukola Mwenda kimene Mwana kimbu kwa duka Mwandika sanza Unimekaji Kuna milunga Mungu songo Mwila bebe Sikimbu kwa duka Kuna mbeu Kuna kibokolo Malo mapunga Kuna mbeu Kuna makela Kiendi Kama endo kwe Kiba ukusero Eya Keba na yoe Kiba ukutashe Adi kiendi Kama endo kwe Kiba ukulana mama Keba na yoe Kiba ukutashe Mangwana yaya Konzo kanye Makela mukaba Sikimbu kwa duka Lamba soso Kika matamu Mangwana yaya Mwinu makukola Mwenda kimene Mwana kimbu kwa duka Mwandika sanza Unimekaji Unakangola Mungu songo Mwila bebe Mangwana yaya Kuna mbeu Kuna kibokolo Tina Lufwezo, Lukebi, Enjo Mangwa, Jekononga Lindo Mikolai Masaki, Yekuba Sinde, Nana Lukusoke la Kakemamu, Lugululwenu, Bajati Sinda Kitoloka,
Gambote, Tata, David.
Gambote.
Tata. Can you hear me well? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, so much. Oh, I like your haircut. Tata Audrey.
Oh, thank you.
You can't beat Martin Luther King, you know. Tutondele, Gambote, Mengo Candice. Okay, Tatale is on. Oh, are you there, Tatale?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm just sorry. I'm actually on my phone, so
No worries. Let me just greet the audience. Thank you if you're watching. This is a Kikongo class for brothers in America, brothers and sisters. Yes, yes. Welcome, Ngizambote. Ngizambote means welcome. We're going to learn Kikongo. I'm sure they will be proud of us, no? Our ancestors, yeah?
Yes.
Doing our best, you know? Yes. Tuto ndele. But we have a test. Sorry, I'm joking. Just a quick recap, yeah? Our identity is dignity, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Someone said that. Our identity is our dignity. When we're talking about Luvila, we mean us. Question, Tatale, you're going. We need your help here. Ngwakazi, who is Ngwakazi?
Ngwakazi is basically your uncle, your mother's brother.
Yes, thank you very much. Itondele. Yeah, Tata, yes, is it clear? Yes. Ngwakazi.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Basically made up of two words. Ngwa, I'm sure coming from Ngudi, mom. Kazi, I don't know the explanation, but it just.
Does that mean Lord or something? No.
Honorable, something like this. Nobility. Yes.
I thought that was Mfumu.
So, yeah, Mfumu's Lord. Yeah, Ngwakazi. Let me just write it. Let me just write down quickly. Ngudi is my mother. Ngudi, mom. I'm writing American here. Kazi. This is Kazi. Yes. Ngudi, mom. Yeah. I'm writing in American. You're spelling mom. Yes. M-O-M. Yes. You do this. We do M. You write MU. Yes. Kazi, nobility, respect, yeah, along those lines. Basically, what I'm teaching you is a Kikongo language and a tradition based on books written by Congo academics from that generation. Are we there? Yes? You get this? Yes. Because I don't rely on how do you say oral transmission? Yes, is it? Am I correct? Yes. You know, after time it's corrupt. They're corrupt. Yes, the word meaning all this stuff. People invent things. Yeah. Uh, Kazi, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Tuto Ndele. What Kazi is your mom's brother? Yes. Or brothers. Mwana Kazi, Tata, over to you because this is you should know that Mwana Kazi.
Is it a niece and nephew?
Sorry?
Niece or nephew?
Think Kikongo. Think as Congo person, please. Say in Kikongo.
I mean, would that be your? I guess your uncle's kids. I don't know.
You are Ngwakazi. Ngwakazi is my mom's brother or brothers. Mwanakazi is you. I mean, Ngwakazi is. Sorry, I'm going to change my language here. My sister's children. They are my Mwanakazi. Banakazi plural. Am I right? Yes.
Okay, so yeah, so if I'm the uncle, those are my nieces and nephews, right?
Yeah, Banakazi plural. Mwanakazi one. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, my niece or nephew.
Yeah, Mwanakazi. Then go kind of clear.
Yes. How are you spelling Mwanakazi?
Oh, sorry. Let me just Mwanakazi. Mwana, 2 words, Mwanakazi. Mwanakazi, yes. Bana, plural. Mwana, one, if you just remove M and W, Bana, B-A-N, Kazi. Mwanakazi. Mwanakazi.
And so that would be, you said,
your sister's children.
Okay.
Yeah, you are Ngwakazi. Ngwakazi to them. Remember, Ngwa, keep Ngwa is Ngudi for mom, yes? Because by Congo, everything revolves around mom, yeah? Yes? Ngwakazi. This is a heavy word, huh? Ngwakazi is a Pumu, you have to say Lord. Ngwakazi. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Tata. Okay. Mwana Vumu. Tata, can you try Mwana Vumu?
Oh man.
Vumu means womb. Vumu. Mwana Vumu.
You said Vumu. Oh yeah, that would be the maternal.
Yes.
Because that Vumu is on
Kanda, yes.
equal to Kanda, right?
Correct, yes. Anyone from Kanda is Mwana Vumu, yes.
Right.
Basically, remember, we are moms, just from lady. As long as they're from same mom, yes. My sisters, let's say I have 4 sisters. Their children are girls. They're all from same Kanda, the Bana Vumu. I am from the same Kanda as my sister, of course, but my children are the Bana Vumu. Question.
Okay, so since you said so your kids is Bana Vumu.
It is a question. Are they Bana Vumu? Remember, I'm talking about my sisters. Doesn't matter how many other. Let's say 4 sisters. Their children Banaba Vumu.
Right, because
I
they
am
come
one of
from the
Vumu with my
same.
sister because we're from same mom. Yeah. We're
Right.
talking mom. It doesn't matter. From, sorry.
No, I didn't say anything.
Yeah, I say that I'm saying that we're talking about Kanda. My sisters, myself and my sisters, we are from same mom, we're from same Kanda, correct?
Yes.
Then we're gonna say yes. We're some we're some from Kanda, my
Yes, I'm
sisters.
here.
Yes, sorry. So my sister children are from Banaba Vumu. Question: are my children Banaba Vumu? My children, I'm a boy.
They're Banabanima.
Well done, yes. Yes.
Yeah, I didn't think I wrote that. Okay.
Yeah, my children belong to another Kanda, yes?
Yeah.
Yes,
Correct.
yes. That's what Bakongo, Bakongo
Banabani.
people, sorry?
No, I'm
That,
trying to just
yeah,
repeating the
Tata,
word.
Ali, are you there? Yeah, that's what,
Yes, 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 yes.
yeah,
I'm here. Sorry.
that's what Bakongo people say. Mm, okay, I mean, don't quote me, I'm live. We're live, you are sold, I'm a man. As put in this angle, see from the angle of Kanda, I'm sold because I belong to another, I'm intruded to another Kanda, see?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? Because mine are not from the womb, mine are from the back muscles. So, half, not half, okay, you understand. Thank you very
Mm-hmm.
much. Okay, Katale, we need your help. Mwana Guta, who is Mwana Guta? Because,
Mwana Guta is basically what I guess Miss Candace said, right? It's this no, those are the kid. That's a child from the I guess the male from the man.
well done, yeah, well done, yeah. Just take it like this. You as a boy and your sister children are from Kanda, from whom your children are not. Yes, you are sold. You are intruded to another Kanda. So yes, our sister said bana mwana nimo, bana banima plural, mwana guta. Yes. Okay. Who is Tatankento? Tatankento. This is keyword. Tatankento. Basically, we have Fumu, or let's call him King of Fumu, Mwakazi. Then we have Queen. Tatankento.
So Tata Kento would be is what the I guess the brother's kids will call their aunt.
Bravo, yeah, Tatankento. Basically, Tatankento, quote unquote, Tata David, you know the word, Tatankento translation?
It's like mother uncle or something like that.
Tatankento, Tata David,
Pinto.
you said last time. Female dad, yes?
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Female dad.
Tata Canto.
Yeah, Tata, we say Tatankento, yeah. Ngo Candace, are you saying something?
Yes, I'm here.
Tata, no, what you say? I was asking, do you have a question, sir?
No, I don't. So you're saying Tata,
Mm,
is it spelled
mm,
TATA dash
mm, mm,
KENTO?
mm. Tata is dad, yes? Tatankento. Oh, sorry. Mm. Tatankento.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
yes.
Tata Canto is.
Kento, yeah, Kento. Yes. Actually, Kento means female. Yes, the word, yes.
Female on the father's side.
Dad sisters, yes. Dad sister, yes. Tata Kent. So, quick. Who is Tata Kento second level? Tata Allen.
Oh, I need to pull that
Who
up.
will be Tata Kento second level?
Second level. Would that be the That would be what the I don't know. Is that Banavumu or something? Banavumu.
Hello, Nangotadi.
Yambuti.
Kembuti.
Kimbote.
Tata Allen,
Kimbote.
you know the answer. We have Tata Kento, my dad's sister. Sorry, my dad's sister. Top
So
level.
would that be the kids of the sister?
Yes,
No.
but I'm talking about Tata Kento. Remember, we're talking about female.
Yeah.
That
You said
means father's
second,
sister.
Yeah,
second
the
level.
children, but girls. Yes, only girls.
Oh, only
Oh yes.
girls. Yeah. Okay.
Tata Kento, yes.
Yeah. I got it. Okay.
Yeah, Tata Kento second level. Dad's sister, girls, only girls.
They
Question
had
to you.
sisters, daughters.
Yes, only daughters. Question to Nengwa Cadence. And the boys, who are they? Boys from dad's sister. To me, who are they? The boys. We call the girls from my dad's sisters. Uh, Girls are Titan came to second level because their mom is top level. What about the boys? Then what tell you?
I don't know.
And they called Guankazi.
No.
No.
Remember, we call them just Tata. Mm?
Oh yeah,
They
just
are
that.
Tata second level, yes. Mm? Tata dad, yes. Are we okay so far? We just a quick recap. We're not going back to to the village hard. I know that is hard.
So they wouldn't be called Tata Yakala? No.
No. By saying Tata, I mean Yakala anyway. Yes.
Okay. All right. Same thing. Okay.
Tata male anyway. Yes. Tata David, question.
No, I'm okay.
So,
I need to print
Yes,
all
I
those
have a
questions
question. I have
out
a
for
question.
myself, which I have not yet.
Sorry,
Yeah,
sister, go
same
ahead.
here. I haven't printed it yet. My printer broke, and so that's my excuse.
Is it clear on Tata Audrey? Yes.
Yeah, it's clear. I just
Yeah.
I don't have the papers in front of me that I normally would,
No
but I
worries.
would hopefully
Mm.
next week.
Thank you very much, Tata Audrey Nengo Candace. I know it's 9 o'clock in Los Angeles, but someone has to do it. You did have a question, Nengo Candace?
so the Tata is the male children of the father's brother, or I'm confused about what that is.
My dad's sisters.
Oh, that would be Tata
Sister's
and
kids?
Kintu.
My
No.
dad's
Wait,
sisters'
is that
kids.
your dad's sister's kids? Okay.
Yes, but we have a female and male, so boys are Tata, girls are
Thank you.
girls
Tata
are
and Kanto.
well done. Second level, yes, because their mom is top. Yes, are we clear? Yes.
Yes. I also have a
Yeah.
question, Dr. Panzu.
Question. Go ahead,
So
please.
what about the children from the mother's side? What do they call their mother's brother?
We're talking about
Isn't
that.
that
Yeah, this is
Kenya?
what I'm talking about. Yes. Etane.
Yeah. They will call. So
And this,
Isn't that King Yahi? King
No,
Kaya?
this is what we're talking about. Go come again. That name. What I do? Your question, please. Maybe I misunderstood.
Yes. So I said, so what do the children of, let's just say my children. So what do my children call my brother?
Okay, I've already answered.
Would that be that's Ngwankazi? That's what we were just
Yeah,
talking
well
about.
done. Ngwakas, yes.
Ngwakazi.
Ngwakas, yes. Then they call your sister's mom, mama, yeah? Ngudi. They are mom to them. Your
Good.
sisters.
Yes,
And
because we share
cousin.
the same gender.
Yes. Remember, from your sisters, your children are called their children, their sisters and brothers. Only from your moms and mom's children. They call each other brothers and sisters.
Yes.
Then from the other side, dad's brothers, they call each other brothers and sisters. Are we clear on that? We need to be clear on that, yes?
Yeah. So just harping back on what Nengwa Tadiwa just said. So sister to sisters, kids will just call each other. They will call the I guess the aunties just Ngudi? Is that it?
Exactly, yeah. When I go back home, my mom, I call, okay, she's gone already. My mom, I call my mom, mom, of course. But her sisters are put in the name after. Mom Isabel, mom Janet. Yes? Are we there? Yes?
Yeah. I got it. So, but there's no reference to older or younger in the name in the reference, like older mom or younger mom.
There is. You could say, basically, the main thing you call them their mom. You could say the older one, you could, let me see. Ngudi. This is vary from the variance. This is not static. Ngudia, Ngudi Mbuta, Ngudia Nkulu, Ngudi Mbuta, depend. It should be the same thing. Oh no. So give me 1 minute. This is. I just want to make sure the Nengwa can understand this. This is very important. Yes, Mbuta Nkuluntu, sorry, let me just correct this. Nkuluntu. This is, yes. Ngudi Mbuta, Ngudi Nkuluntu. Ngudi meaning, Ngudi, Tata David, Ngudi.
Mom.
Yes, thank you. Ngudi Mbuta, Mbuta, big, old, older, Ngudi Nkuluntu. Tata, question was from you. Are you okay? Yes.
Yes, yeah. It's clear now.
Ngudi Leke, the youngest, is the younger. Leke. Ngudi Leke. Ngudi Lake. Wow, Louisville is heavy, you know. Ngudi Lake. Lake mean young, small. Ngudi Lake. That clear, yes?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, this you can say that, but to them, as long as you say, Mom Janet, Mom Jacqueline, yes, perfect. The only thing you don't do in our culture, never. You don't call them by their names. Yeah, it's a crime. Never, ever. Even if you are older than them in terms of age, yes, never. By their name, no. Yes. Okay, are we okay? Yes, sister.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, bravo! I'm
Yes.
proud of you. You know, I'm happy because this is it. I don't know how they came up with this Luvira, but intriguing, you know. They didn't have a computer, all this stuff, but okay, our ancestors. Okay, be ready now. It's getting harder, harder. Now who can marry Tatan Kento? Second level, Tatan Kento. Who can marry Tatan Kento second level? Remember, I made the correction. I made sure you understood this because we made a mistake initially. Who can marry Tatan Kento second level?
They have to be from a
Mm,
different kanda, right?
Yes, you're right. Oh, bravo. This top, yeah, this is the top bullet point. Yes, they must be from different kanda. This is it. Yes, carry on, sister. We're talking about Banaba Vumu, Banaba Nima. Yes, who is? Mm.
But what's the
Um,
word in Kikongo for those who you should not marry?
What do you mean, David? Sorry, I didn't get it. I didn't get it.
Those who you are not to marry, what's the Kikongo word for them?
I mean, we don't have a specific
Okay,
special
so there
name
is
for them.
none. All right.
Basically, we talk about Kanda. That's why last time we said that Kanda Wakazi is the key person because, let's say, I mean, bad things happen, as you know, in life. Let's say, going backward, one of great was killed by a Kanda X. Yes, that stays forever in your family. No brother, I mean, no children should be married to that Kanda. Yes, never ever. Hence, Ngwaka is the person that hold that tradition, keep this uh, hidden in a room of 7 keys. Yes, make sure that whenever you go to a traditional wedding, first thing people will do is to recite. You have to say what is your kanda. Then people think, oh, that's kind of fun. Who are you going to marry? What is the kanda? The first question, top question, this is the main question. We must know who is kanda, whose kanda is the person. Yes. So yeah, tell David. Did I answer your question?
Yes.
Yeah, this is it. This is it. Kanda, as long as there's no bad news, I mean, the historically speaking, it should be okay. We're going back to the same question. Who can marry Tatan Ken to second level?
it's the children of
Mhm.
um the children from Tatankento's brother side. So the male children from Tatankento's.
Yes, Tata Kanda did say that. Nengo Kanda did say that because they are not from Kanda. Yes.
Yes, they're from a different
Mm.
country.
right.
Yes.
But is it only you said only the male children, right? Or
Yeah. Because boy from Banaba Nima is yes. Am I correct? Yes.
Yes,
yeah, I'm listening.
I think so.
No. I'll ask you if I'm correct because you need to correct me somehow. I'm just teasing you. I'm just
No,
testing you.
I know. So I'm thinking, okay, so Banabanima is so basically that Nkanda, the male children from Nkanda can actually marry Banima on I'm trying to figure out is it the uncle's kids, the Ngwankazi's son marrying to the Tata and Kento's clan, or I'm trying to which
Yeah.
direction?
That can the second level. Yes. I mean,
That's exactly what it
I
is.
mean, it's not common now. Rare. But this is history. This how it used to be. Yes.
Yeah.
Make no mistake. This is not. I mean, we are alive. You know. That thing we kind of try to read between the lines. Yeah. They always correct us, but we know what we're doing. Our ancestors knew better than many people. You know. Mhm.
Hmm.
I have the same picture in mind. You and the Amazon forest, the bush, where tribes they live there. They don't travel. Of course, they have to marry. How do you do that?
So Tana Panju, then what's the direction? I'm still trying to figure out.
You tell me because I did underline that. I just say that who can help us because we made a mistake at the beginning, then we did correct ourselves. Tata Audi, are you brave enough? Who
Yeah, I'm
can
here.
marry Tata Kent to second level? Nengo Candice. She's gone.
Um, I don't know. I just know they have to be from a different conda. I mean, that's what I'm
Yeah, you're
clear
right.
on, but I
Yeah, you're
can't
right. But
expound on it anymore.
no. You know your answer. My children are they from my sister's kanda. Nengo Candice, question to you. My
Okay,
children are
so
they?
it doesn't matter whether it's male or female.
It does matter. That's the question. That's the main question. Only boys from let's put in English. The English. Only boys from maternal uncle can marry Banaba second level Tatan Kent. Is it correct? Is it clear? Yes?
Wait, you said that your daughters would be from your sister's conda?
My daughters.
Wait,
Nango
how can
Candice, can you help please? Uh,
Um,
my children are
I
not from
know
my
that
kanda. My children are not from my kanda.
your sons, I
Mm.
guess you're saying your sons could marry
Tatan Kent to second level, yes.
boys could marry, right, but when you say second level, not in their same generation, is that what you mean?
No.
I don't
No. When
understand.
I say second level, I mean Tatan Kento.
Should like go.
Tatan Kento is to my children. I'm saying Tatan Kento is my sister. Tatan Kento. So
Right.
my children are not from my kanda, are they? No, they aren't. So boys Banaba Nima could marry second level Tatan Kento. Is it clear?
So when you say second level, are we talking about second generation or just
Yeah, that's what I
any
want to know.
Well, yeah.
any generation outside of the I guess the brother and sister, the parents
Exactly.
basically.
You like chart. I'm going to display chart. Yeah, should be clear.
Yeah,
You are the one that said that
because I think after the first, it sounds like the second generation and below, right? That's what it sounds like to me.
don't talk about in terms of generation here. Just have the concept of Kanda Kise, yes? I mean, yes.
Okay.
That should be okay.
Well, you're talking about your Kikai, yes?
No, yes, no.
That's what I
No,
thought you meant
okay.
by second level.
This is it, yes? Can you see my screen? Let me just remove.
Yeah, you see.
Let
Yeah.
me
Yeah.
remove.
Yes.
That Allen, yes? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I know. I can see your screen. Yes.
Yeah, this is you are the inspiration. We did this one because of you. You did we were explaining that by words was hard to understand. Is it clear? Yes.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay. Huh. So let me ask this question then.
Only go ahead. Tell
Okay, so like on your okay, so Isaac can marry Miriam.
Where's Isaac?
Ruth and Isaac.
No. Who is Miriam to Isaac? Who can help us? I'm gonna tell you. Who is Miriam to Isaac?
They're brothers and sisters.
No. Miriam to Isaac. Read the books. These books here.
Okay. Ndumba and Lulemba's children are that second level. For example, Tata Kento's girls, Tata boys to Ongwangazi's children.
So wait a minute. So Miriam. So Isaac is Miriam's tata, right?
Well done. Yeah. Well done. Yeah. That's it.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
You help us Tata and explain to us. This is Tata can't should never marry. Yeah. No, there. It goes from this side to this side. Yes. Basically, yes.
Yes, not the other way around.
Tata
Okay.
out. Yes.
Yeah.
Because this is dad. This is dad second level. This is the Tata Kento second. I mean, roof. Tata Kento second level. No, let's just put aside. Let's not talk about the boys from this side. Boys from this side are dad to this the girls. Yes. Yeah. Yes.
Right.
So no. These are dads. On, only boys from this side. Let's
Can
say John.
marry.
Yeah,
So
John
John
or
can
Paul
marry
can
Ruth.
Ruth or Mary. Yes.
Yeah.
Is it clear? Yeah? That's a David.
Mm-hmm.
Talking about the ancestors, See, genealogy, yes? They were there before us, no? Before technology. That talent question.
No, I understand it. So I guess maybe just to clarify, right? So you have, and I know you said not to look at the generation, but in other words, let's just say if we were talking about the kids of the second generation. So let's say would so Paul's kids would be able to marry Ruth's. Basically, Paul's son can marry Ruth's daughter. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. They're
No,
kids.
I understand. The best way of understanding this is just take into account Lady Kanda. Yes, when you talk about Paul, where is Paul? Paul is this side. Yes.
Right.
Yes, Paul is there.
So he can marry either Ruth or Mary's.
Yeah, but that only question is Paul's children. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So let me. Okay. So either can Paul. So Paul himself or Paul's kids can marry Ruth or Ruth's kids.
No. Don't put it this way because
Okay. Never
we
mind.
don't.
Never mind.
No.
Okay.
We don't have time now because we have to. You have to.
Okay. No problem. No problem. I understand. I was just kind of throwing it out there. That's fine. I understand.
I like your question. If you say Paul, let's say Paul children. Okay, confusing, but let's just keep it. Let's leave it for the time being. Yes. Sorry,
Yeah. Absolutely. You keep going. I got it.
Just understand in terms of Kanda. This is Kanda. Yes, Tatan Kento.
Right.
Top are there. Second level are here. Mary, Ruth, and Tata are there. Isaac and Martin. Martin and Isaac are dads to Miriam and Isabel. Therefore, you can marry, yes? Then go Candace, yeah? Go Candace, are you there?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, I understand that.
These are dads. Only boys from this side, only boys from this side could marry, yes. Ruth or Mary. Yes. So, taking long, yes. Yes, questions. That's all. Is it clear? That's all.
Yeah. No, it's clear. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, don't worry about the other generation. Just as long as you know the map, let's call it the map, the Luvila's map. This is Luvila's map. I'm a boy. My sister, we belong from the same Kanda. Are we clear on that? Yes? That's our audience. I'm a boy. My sister, we're from the same Kanda.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. You can be from different dads, but as long as we're talking about mom, as long as you can be, let's just put my sisters, sorry, my mom's sisters each of them are from different parents. Yeah, that yes, but they're from same Kanda. So to me, Kanda is Kanda. Yes, this is the Congo. So just Kanda kids man as mom. As long as from same mom, this is it. Mm. That's why I didn't want to go your route, Catalan. Sorry. Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
As long as you know this, you have this. You know what you're talking about. Only boys from me will marry my sister's daughters. Yes. Only boys. I mean, we're talking backward, but this how it used to be. Nowadays, very is rare. But in extreme condition, this not the extreme condition. This how it used to be. Okay, I think we should stop there unless there's a question. Yes, let me just move back to going forward. I think Tata David was talking about this one. Kikai, yes?
Mhm.
I've broken my promise. No, I did say that we wouldn't go back to Kikai. But anyway, Tuto Ndele, thank you very much for your time. Mm, let's call it a day. We should stop there unless there's a question about the villa. Yes? No questions. Tata David. Question to Nengwatadiwa. Who is Ngwakazi? Nengwatadiwa.
Yes, okay. Gwakazi are the maternal uncles.
Yes.
The
Maternal
name given
uncle.
to the maternal uncles.
Yes, maternal uncle. Ngwakazi. Ngwakazi boys. Are they from the same Kanda?
No, they're from a different Kanda. They're from the Kanda
Yes,
of the
because,
Magos.
yes. They're not from the same Kanda. Therefore, we call them Banaba Nima. Oh, Mana Guta, Mana Nima. Same thing. Tutondele. Someone has written Tatiana uncle. But don't, I mean, I understand that brothers, Africa, we have what expression, Africa centric, African, not Africanist, Africa centric. They don't like using this word. I can understand why. Don't use uncle, yes, because use Congo concept, yes,
So
uncle.
they would either be brother or father or something. You wouldn't call them
Yeah,
uncle,
we don't call
nephew,
uncle. No.
niece.
Remember, my my sisters. I mean, sisters, children, mom, sisters, children, their brother and sister. I should ask the question instead of answering. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Moms, let's say three moms, children, mom, sister, children, brothers and sisters. My dad's brothers, children, we are brothers and sisters. But we don't cross over. Yeah, we're not sisters. Mom, my maternal uncle children are not brothers to me. Yes, the other way around as well. Tatane, am I right? Tatane.
I'm sorry. I'm here. Yes. Yes, you are.
Can you repeat my words then, please?
Can you say that one more time?
Can you repeat my words, please?
Your okay, so your brothers with so on the dad side, the one what is it? One I guess one and Guta or by
Nima.
Banaba Nima,
Mm.
they are brothers, and I guess they will be considered brothers and sisters, but then on the mother side, they are either the Tata Kentu or Tata. right?
Wow, well done. Wow, well
So the
done.
kids on the kids from the mother side, the uncle's kids are their children, and then but the uncle's kids are brothers and sisters. So they call their mother's kids either Tata or Tata and Kento.
Wow, well done. Yes, this is Congo, man. This is being Congo, you know. I mean, sorry, we are live. I need to control myself. we are. This is our concept, you know. I was. I want to check today. Yes, we are reading. The pastor read about genealogy of this. I was just thinking about Congo genealogy, you know, because we talk mom. Yes, in Jews, the son. There's no uncle. There's no grandchild. Tata David, this is a question to you. There's no grandchildren. Everybody's the son. Yes,
Yes.
Jesus, son of David, but his granddad. Yeah, but son. This is this is different from us. We Congo people, we talk about mom. Yeah, mom, sister, children. These are your brothers and sisters. Dad's brother, children. These are crossing over is something else. Are we okay? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah. I'm just. We have 5 minutes. Let me just write it down again because this is very important. Dad's brother. Let me just go to this place. Tatane, well done. You are going to teach us next time. Yes. Yeah.
I'm still learning, so
No. You're
I'm
doing
not
well.
there yet.
Yeah, let me just put in these are brothers and sisters. Lady, we talk about lady. Congo people, lady special. Ladies. Mm. Mom, there's a brother, children. Mom's uh, sisters, children. Yeah, give it to them. I'm done soon. These are, but you need to memorize this. We get in there. Wow, well done. You're doing well. Wow. Totally. Someone will be proud of you, you know. I'm not going
I'm,
to name
I'm,
him
I'm,
now.
I'm trying.
Yeah, our identity is our dignity, yes?
Yeah,
Our dignity.
you know what happens a lot of times. It's like when we cover it, it's nice and clear. But like once two or
Yeah,
three
when you
months
try to
passes,
explain it, it's
yeah, trying to
to break
explain
it
it,
totally
then
down. It's
yeah, I almost
yeah.
have to look at a chart. If I don't look at a chart, yeah.
Yeah, we need to have this. Is it clear, yes? On the can you see about that name of God, yes?
Yes.
This is Congo, our ancestors, yeah? This is it.
Yes.
It's us, yeah. That name God that you are clear?
Yes, it's much clearer now.
Yeah, it's clear. Just put like this. Mm. This is Congo people. Kamit. There's the word Kamit. Kamit. Have you heard about the word Kamit? Yeah, Tatari. Tatari.
Um,
No. Okay, no.
You talking about biblical sense or what?
No. This is African concepts of things. Yeah. Uh, Kamit. Yes.
I
Is it
heard
clear?
Kemet.
Is it clear? Mom's sister. So yes, we're done for
Yeah.
today. Yes. Mom, sister, children. These are brothers and sisters. Yes. Tatari.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Dad's brother, children, these are brothers and sisters. Just use this word. Avoid using uncle and this is our concept. Tutondele. Lwenda Kyambote.
Sala Campbell.
Inshallah,
Mama
Kembote.
Silent
Campbell.
Oh,
Kim
someone written.
Kimbote.
Okay.
Sala Cambote.
Tutondele. Bye. Yes, thank you very much, Tatiana. Tutondele. See you next
Tutondele.
Sunday. Tutondele.
Sunday.
Don't delay.
Kande.
Quieto, yangani, kawauko, iwao, bongole meso, mwene, esiburi matu, mwidi, ikonzo dienu. Yeno luvo vangabo, Congo diafwa, yeno luvo vangabo, Congo diafwa, bizatala kwenwe, eyala kulu, bizatala kwenwe, ekulungi mikase Congo diatungwa. Vangabo Congo diafwa, keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa, bizatala kwenwe, eyala kulu, bizatala kwenwe, ekulungi mikansi Congo diatumba.
Pipa narra uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. A África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade. Havia muito Renato, havia muita felicidade. Vivíamos dentro da lei, Paulo do reino do Congo, linha Luqueni era o rei. Habitava em Banda Congo, em companhia do outro rei. Pode chamar de Todila, se esquecendo mamá que pra vida. Nos chama de Yalangu, carrego o Culumbimbi, essa imagem me identifica. Banda Congo, a minha terra, a minha mãe, o meu coração. Olha que nos fala mal, peço liberta da maldição. Origem todos pra Congo, como diz o velho ditado, do malogrado de talento. Eu irei devoltar, mas a questão ainda é esperar. Eu sou filho do Quimba, falo do Mwanza até Ebela. Olhos que vêm de Kikongo, só entrava na tenda Congo, Lovana Sanda, o Mono e Fuanda. Luísa em Panguizeto, eu tô onso, Tatugue Congo. Tala é Kinkuluqueto que ainda em Sango, como Zabimba. E Mwana Congo, Caleguese, Songengango e Kinkuluquiaco. Arrima do Cojojola, arrima do Cojojola. Sou pai do Emerson King.
Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa, keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa, bizatala kwenwe, eyala kulu, bizatala kwenwe, ekulungi mikansi Congo diatungwa. Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa, keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa, bizatala kwenwe, eyala kulu, bizatala kwenwe, ekulungi mikansi Congo diatungwa.
Sou tipo Sócrates, tudo que vou fazer hoje ficará marcado na memória. Se o jogo já está no fim, agora chega, vou-vos dar vitória. Que Mavunga é minha terra, banda sagrada para todo mundo. Para o vosso consciente, cortei a corrente, voltei bem quente e diferente. Instalei um circuito fechado, muitos tentaram, lhes deu errado. Como diz o velho ditado, a Congo não falha, mas sim atrasa. Tata, Mwana, eu sou pai, então não se engana. Se o poder não se dá, a cultura banto não se esquece. Terra do mano em Totila, quem conhece Nini e Alukeni. Ou melhor, Zinganguvu, Mamá Kimpavita. Terra dos assimilados, Afonso I, Simão Kimbangu, Pulumbinga, Lando Vitor, Antônio Dembo, Tetelando, Tabessa Manguana. Terra de Makuta Nkondo, Yannick Ngobo e Tatangana. Onde fica mercado do Luvo, Culumbimbi e o Yalangu. Pedra do Fidizo e também a ponta do padrão. Os falos de Banda Congo, patrimônio mundial da cultura. General sem passadores. Mapuntuala, Tata Mandila Massanda. Mwana Cassandra de Mbau, que mafundo, uasa.
Keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa, keno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa, bizatala kwenwe, eyala kulu, bizatala kwenwe, ekulungi mikansi Congo diatumba.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi em Banza onde está.
Agradecemos a todos aqueles que preservam a cultura nacional. A Sua Excelência Governador da Província do Zaire, ao Conselho de Ancião e o seu responsável do Lumbo, Afonso Mendes, Papá Matalulu, Farmácia Salaquaco, chefe de Beste, a FEPRO, elenco do 6, do Butulama todo, com Butamuto Socorro. Quella come mula Congo, un builo per mongole un mundilo Congo, e bangusa mentungi di un mundilo Congo, e non la zambe si zelle muna Congo, nyo camboyo bone che ne muna Congo, oh mwana numba bantelle muna Congo, oh mwana numba bokelle muna Congo, oh waitate muna Congo, waitate muna Congo. Matanuzi more kenne muna Congo, si pobilanga pakundu muna Congo, endunduzi pelekete muna Congo, endunduzi pelekete muna Congo, bila kese tuna muna Congo, bila makinu tuna kinna muna Congo, patata visa tuna kweto muna Congo, mba mama visa tuna kweto muna Congo, Olsolele kumambu meno muna Congo, mono ngele kombe muna Congo, kelika ngele kwenda muna Congo, oh mono ngele kombe muna Congo, mono ngele kombe muna